At the heart of this collection is the idea of elevating the everyday. Even the smallest details in a home, like a doorknob or a cabinet pull, should feel soulful and intentional. This collection is a natural extension of everything I do, whether I'm setting a table, curating antiques, or designing a piece of hardware. It's really all about elevating everyday life and surrounding yourself with beauty. Honestly, designing this collection felt like a full circle moment for me. Most of my career is about discovering beautiful old things. I wanted to create a hardware collection because I spent decades wandering around the flea markets, and really hardware was something that I always was drawn to. It's the first moment where you welcome someone. It sets the tone for what's inside. It can be functional, but it needs to be expressive. Pulls, doorknobs. I wanted to reimagine them in a way that feels timeless yet fresh, designed for today but rooted in history. I drew inspiration from my deep love of 19th century French design, the elegance of Haussmannian era interiors, and the refined ornamentation of Second Empire and Louis XVI periods. Motifs like swans, pinecones, and regal lion heads, these all once carried meaning in a home. All about the the little details. And this one with the shell makes me think of like Baroque and especially Rococo iconography of shells, which you find a lot in mirrors, adds a special touch to your table settings. The details are so sweet. The little jagged edges and like imagining this on a cupboard or drawer. It feels like history. It feels like it has a story. Each piece is crafted to feel like it belongs in a home with a history, even if it's brand new. This collection is about more than function. It's a way to connect with beauty, joy, evoke meaning, and carry memory into the everyday. Collaborating with Modern Matter really gave me the opportunity to take what's in my head, what's in my imagination, and make that into something that people can live with.